F6 PSPD 30S1 or Fulgor Milano Pro Speed Oven. We're going to be doing a condensation check. We have a completely clean speed oven, no condensation. Got about 10 to 12 meatballs here, completely frozen. Not going to be raw chicken breast, but close to same amount of moisture content potentially. We're going to be doing microwave cooking here and closing. Going to cook about 30 minutes, 900 watts, and 30 seconds, and we'll be doing a check of condensation and then going from there. Following up, the first 30 seconds has ended, so we're going to go ahead and open. Not seeing much of anything. Going to go ahead and run this again for a full 4 minutes now, and we'll check in along the way. I will go 5 and go ahead and start 900 watt 5-minute cooking, and we'll check in at about the halfway point. Alright, so we are at about 2.5 minutes remaining, so the halfway point of 5 minutes. We can see with the cooking that the steam has started to build up. We can no longer see through the door, so the moisture content is being drawn out of what we're cooking, and assuming should be spread on the walls and base of the unit. We're going to go ahead and open the door. We're going to take a look. We are definitely seeing some moisture, plenty of condensation on the door, plenty of condensation on the right side. Now again, these are just standard meatballs. You can see the water content forming on the meatballs. We'll go ahead and close this and continue cooking and check in at the end. Alright, to review, we're down to the final 5 seconds. You can actually start to see the bit of splattering or moisture on the inside capturing onto the door. We're going to go ahead and open the door and take a look at the initial output. So plenty of steam coming out of the unit going on to the display. So cool surfaces, hot air immediately clings to the coolest surface around the unit, which would be the display. It doesn't heat at all. You're also going to find that the glass, because it is a cooled tempered glass, it is going to capture and collect all of this water content. This is normal. Go ahead and review the side walls and see tons of condensation and buildup. Check the element, tons of condensation and buildup. Even the back wall, condensation. Can look in at the meatballs, find a little bit of water underneath them, but essentially the dish that it's cooked in is going to be almost bone dry because all of that condensation has been drawn out onto the rapidly cooling stainless steel and glass surfaces. Condensation on your food when cooking in a microwave is normal and expected. You can use a splash guard, could even attempt a paper towel or two over top of your food. We will do this experiment with a splash guard and see if we're still obtaining the same result.